Hello dear students. Today we will sing a poem. Birds can fly. Students, this poem has full of fun with animals and you will enjoy it with animals' actions. Its learning outcomes: recites, sings and enjoys listening to songs. Rhymes with actions. We are come from Panchayat Samiti Indapur district Pune. Let's start. Listen, sing and act. Birds can fly. Birds can fly up in the sky, and I can fly too. Up in the sky, and I can fly too. Frogs can jump. Frogs can jump very, very high, and I can jump too. Very, very high, and I can jump too. Ducks can swim. Ducks can swim deep in the water, and I can swim too. Deep in the water, and I can swim too. Dogs can walk. Dogs can walk on the ground, and I can walk too. On the ground, and I can walk too. Horses can run. Horses can run in the forest, and I can run too. In the forest, and I can run too. Bunnies can hop. Bunnies can hop on the grass, and I can hop too. On the grass, and I can hop too. Students, now let's play an action game. Do action which I will tell you in our poem. You will enjoy. So let's start game. Fly means उडणे. Jump उड्या मारणे. Swim पोहणे. Walk चालणे. Run पळणे. Hop सशासारख्या उड्या मारणे. Thank you.